A rose branch is cut in the middle. Let's take a look at the scion's growth direction. This is the best spot to trim the scion, preserving the most nutrient-rich part of the branch. Now, let's check the second scion. We trim this branch here, also ensuring the best nutrient supply. The trimmed scion should be smooth and free of burrs. Now, we start trimming the second scion. Cut off the excess branches. Key point to note when trimming a scion like this: make sure the most nutrient-rich part is right in the center. Perfect. Looking at them now, the two scions look exactly the same. No surprise, though they came from the same branch like twin sister flowers. Without further ado, let's cut the rootstock. Peel back the bark on the left side, then make a cut on the right side. Continue cutting on the opposite side, left and right, slicing through. Insert the scion into the cut. Pay attention to the key point. The two most nutrient-rich areas must be positioned below the stripped section of the stem. How does it look? Kind of like a banana fan, right? Trim off any excess branches. Wrapping and sealing require technique. Next, we bag it and place it in the soil. Now, we wait for deep rooting.